Immediate and reliable trading data is essential for the day trader to maintain profitable trading. Most backtesting programs are slow and often take up to 45 minutes. This tool uses fractals coupled with 6 built-in strategies to accurately test stocks, forex, and futures in seconds. Walk forward optimization and testing quickly determine the profitability of each trade. Walk forward optimization determines performance using historical, while walk forward testing determines the performance with real-time data. The first step is to set all settings to default. Enter the settings screen by clicking on the trend cloud. Set the following parameters to default. Risk to reward, 2.5, stock quantity, 0, trade entry for open, fixed limit, 0 and fixed stop, 0. Set all 6 indicators to off as follows: momentum, alligator, price action, half trend, pin bar and reversal. With all settings set to default, risk management and auto limit and auto stop is enabled. Note that the walk forward optimization label shows for a 5-day period that the win rate is 78% with a profit of $1,117. The walk forward testing label shows today's win rate is 80% with a profit of $784. As a rule of thumb, the correlation is considered good if both win rates agree within 5%. Switch on the reversal filter. The walk forward optimization label shows for a 5-day period that the win rate is 100% with a profit of $5,048. The walk forward testing label shows today's win rate is 80% with a profit of $864. Changing the risk to reward from 2.5 to 2.0 will significantly improve the profit. The walk forward optimization label shows for a 5-day period that the win rate is 97% with a profit of $5,509. The walk forward testing label shows today's win rate is 83% with a profit of $1,280. Is this tool platform dependent? Yes, TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim. Where can I purchase this tool from and what is the cost? Available for download from www.werner-tools.com for $25. Which securities are supported? Stocks, forex and futures. Is position sizing required and measuring performance? No, a fixed number of shares can be entered. However, position sizing invokes the risk management mode and shows the risk impact. Is the auto limit and stop modes required and measuring performance? No, fixed limits and stops fall under walk forward optimization. Why are fixed limits and stops considered part of the optimization process? The auto limits may be running on the high side and the auto stop on the low side. Either case may lead to poor performance. How do I determine if the auto limits and stop are not accurate for a particular stock? Visually inspect each transaction and observe that the limit plot or green dashed line is having difficulty breaking through the green limit line. Also, visually inspect if the stop plot or red dashed line is too close or breaking through the red stop line. How do I determine the correct fixed limit and stop? The label panel show the median gain and stop. Choose a limit lower than the median gain and a stop higher than the median stop. What happens when I adjust the risk-to-reward ratio in the auto mode? The auto stop doesn't change while the auto limit tracks the ratio. Does changing the risk-to-reward ratio improve the walk-forward optimization? Yes, lowering the limit may lead to closing the transaction sooner. However, the profit may be lower because of a lower gain. Should I be concerned with a higher risk-to-reward ratio? Yes, a higher risk-to-reward ratio results in lower gain and less profit. How I determine the correct risk-to-reward ratio? Adjust for best walk-forward optimization and testing profitability.